Ready to supercharge your Facebook ad campaigns with laser accurate tracking? Today, we're diving into how to use Zapier to connect directly to Facebook's Conversions API, boosting your data accuracy and that optimization in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Zapier account or sign up for free if you haven't already. Click on the Create Zap button to start building your automated workflow. You are going to connect your website, activity, and Facebook's Conversions API. Next, select your trigger app. This is where the data about your website event comes from. Common examples are Shopify for purchases, WordPress for form submissions, or WooCommerce for e-commerce actions. Choose the specific trigger event you want to track, like new order in Shopify or new form submission in WordPress. Now connect your account to authenticate. Now for the magic, select Facebook Conversions AP as your action app. Search for it in the app selection bar if needed. You'll then be prompted to connect your Facebook ads account. Afterwards, configure the event details. Match the data points from your trigger like order value or customer email to the corresponding fields in the Conversions API. Event setup, like event name, event time, and user data parameters, is as crucial for accurate attribution. Finally, test your Zap to ensure the data is flowing correctly to Facebook. Once the test is successful, turn on your Zap. Congratulations, you've now automated your conversion tracking, ensuring your marketing efforts are precisely measured and attributed, leading to better ad optimization and a higher return on ad spend.